Y'all, I just finished planning out my plant space today. We'll start with Creepy Lady and I'll work our way down. Here's the space. Doesn't it look so cool? And it all started out with this beautiful statue. She deserves such nice things planted around her. So I added the Gerber daisies. You guys didn't see that before, but I love the way that's just different. And then I also added the portulaca, which you see right here in a hanging basket. Now eventually this is gonna be a tree fern, but it hasn't come in yet. So I'm waiting, trying to be patient. Also added a little stone there. But here it is looking from the other angle. And I love the way it looks, y'all. And I'm a novice. I'm thrilled.